Introducing new Walton ATV90 Washing Machine with advanced features and cutting-edge look. Soft closing tempered glass door. Automatic IMD control panel. Neuro fuzzy control determines the precise requirements of water and energy. Quick wash function makes the optimum use of detergent and saves time. This specially designed and dominant feature adds more force to affirm a complete and powerful cleaning. Effective lint filter separates lint from your fabrics during a wash. VCM Cabinet, made with 7 plastic layers to protect it from external damage. Anti-Rodent Mesh to protect it from insects. So, elevate your laundry experience.